Well, fresh off spending $1.9 trillion on his American Relief Plan, President Joe Biden now wants to spend another $2 trillion, this time on infrastructure. The key question, who will pay for it? White House correspondent Owen Jensen reports. Owen.
The White House says the American Jobs Plan will create millions of jobs, but it calls for companies to shell out more in taxes. This as concerns over the rising debt grow by the day.
President Joe Biden boards Air Force One on his way to sell the American Jobs Plan. Among other things, the plan aims to fix highways and bridges, moves away from fossil fuels by installing 500,000 electric vehicle chargers nationwide by 2030, and gets rid of lead pipes in drinking water systems.
It's more than just roads, railways, and bridges. It's also broadband. 1/3 of the country doesn't have access to broadband.
To pay for it, enter the Made in America tax plan. It would hike the corporate tax rate from 21 to 28%. That would undo President Donald Trump's signature 2017 tax overhaul. He wrote today, this legislation would be among the largest self-inflicted economic wounds in history. If this monstrosity is allowed to pass, the result will be more Americans out of work, more families shattered, more factories abandoned. But the White House contends
he believes that the number of people, the number of companies that didn't pay taxes in the last couple of years is just insane, and most Americans would agree. We need to change that.
Meanwhile, COVID-19 and teenagers. Pfizer announcing that its vaccine protects kids as young as 12 and that it's safe. And this afternoon, Vice President Kamala Harris meets with faith leaders, hoping they can help convince their flocks to roll up their sleeves.
And you all, throughout this time, have, as you always do, been a source of strength, a source of comfort, a source of counsel.
With Easter Sunday quickly approaching and more getting vaccinated, houses of worship expect larger numbers to celebrate the resurrection of Jesus.
With Democrats clinging to control of Congress, the president hopes he can pass the American Jobs Plan by this summer, and he can expect a very difficult fight. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.